In this sunny fine day, this uncle on his truck, making a living. This is no ordinary truck, no. An old school food truck, symbol of culture, igniting the spirit of food on wheels. This wheel is packed, great ass food from childhood time. Take your time to pick your food. Uncle in no hurry to go. Service with a smile in a no parking zone. No one really cares, cause the food is dope. Lying down the street, you know he is good. What about hygiene, they ask? I said, toughen up, savor your food. Day to day, he does his loop around the neighborhood. He doesn't snoop. Old school all the way. He doesn't need no app. Order your food. Just call for the man. Sweat go down his back in his white colored tank. Rain, hail, or storm, he carries on his day. You hear his sound, usually at lunch. Sharp on the dot, he always shows. Run by boomers with decades of skills. Food truck like this is a treasure to cherish. It'll truly be missed if it were to vanish. Savor it while we still can. But it'll be a token of history in a few decades.